friends, welcome back to my channel Curious Explorer. So today I will show you guys how to make a delicious mug cake. So let's get started. So the ingredients you will need are vanilla essence, Oreo, but you can also use a bonbon instead. But I have used both of them. It's your choice. Then you will need some Eno. And finally, you will need some milk. Now you have to put the biscuit in the blender and let it become a fine powder. Now the biscuit has came out of the blender and now it's a powder. Now add some milk in. Then you have to mix well. And few drops of vanilla essence as well. Now put 2 pinch of Eno. Then mix together and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Start. Now see, it's warming up in the microwave. Now the mug cake is done. As you can see, I have decorated the mug cake with some chocolate syrup and gems or M&Ms. So friends, now you can enjoy the delicious mug cake. So friends, thank you for seeing my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.